Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a night POV test drive. Excuse those Home Depot boxes. I'm moving in the next few days, and I had to get these. And that wasn't the other. I couldn't store them anywhere else right now. Anyhow, 2022 Ford Maverick Lariat. Let's take a look at the exterior. It's a little icy. We gotta be careful. So this, for all my Canadian viewers, thank you for honking. I hate that. Ford really stopped doing that. This is a US spec vehicle actually. You can see all the specs on the right hand side, and that's why you also see the price in US dollars. In the full review I'm going to talk about the price in Canadian dollars, but just so you know, this is a Lariat US spec vehicle, and that's also why we do have this Michigan plate here instead of our usual Ontario plate. Yeah, this is cyber orange. Really nice color, I must say. And in this night POV test drive, we are going to test the high beams and the automatic headlights. Just go for a relaxed little drive, see how it fares here in the cold. So just gotta be careful because I saw something running across the field and I don't know if that was a coyote. So just gotta keep our eyes out. But yeah, if you want to know my thoughts about this Ford Maverick, click in the top right hand corner for my full review where we talk about the interior, the exterior, and we drive plenty and see how it fares up to the competition, mainly the Santa Cruz, which we already reviewed. Let's go inside. Whew, it's cold out there. We're getting that storm that was just in Texas tonight, so we'll see how that goes. Anyhow, that's the screen that can stay like that. The home screen, yeah. Let's reverse out. This is all icy and bumpy, so might look a little scrappy getting out of this. And drive forward. We're going to leave one light on, by the way, just so you can see a little more. I can still see plenty, don't worry about that. And for all my usual viewers, we are driving a different route now because we're not going to do the the launch, the acceleration runs anymore in these POV test drives. For that, just check out the full review. Turn off the lights for a second just so you can see how it is to drive. And just so you know, on these POV test drives I rarely talk. It's just for you to get an idea of how it is to drive this car out of the first person, and also hearing it for yourself. Want to slow down a little so we can actually test the high beams a little, because with these cars ahead we can't. Stop here real quick, or at least slow down so we can test the high beams. High beams. And now turn them on. Okay, I turn them on manually. So we got LED high beams, as you can see, and they light up pretty well. See if they automatically enable now. There we go. Automatic high beams are on, exactly what we wanted to see. And let's see how quickly they turn off. Pretty quickly, as we saw the car up ahead. So good automatic high beam system, but that's pretty common these days. Just a few cars that I've criticized for having a bad one. So yeah, good job for not messing this up, Ford. Approved. We also have 2 more POV test drives, just so you know, if you like these, if you want to see more about this Maverick. One is on the highway, where we test assist systems such as lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control, depending on how the car is equipped. And then we have one that is in the city during the day, where we kind of test it in stop and go traffic. We take a more in-depth look at the interior, as well as the bed in the back of the Maverick here. Very quick turning off the headlights and the high beams and turning them back on. No, this is a good system. Okay, but that is a night POV test drive in this 2022 Ford Maverick Lariat. Like I said, for all my thoughts, click on the full-on review, which should be somewhere on your screen right now. And if you like these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because that allows me to make more videos about wide variety. There we go. Of course, because I upload videos almost every single week about different cars every week. So there you go. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.